Hey guys, hello and welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to talk about basics of Python. Basically, this is, I think, third or fourth tutorial video of the end-to-end Python tutorial from the scratch, which is in turn part of the actual data science or machine learning tutorial, which is end-to-end again. So you can refer to my playlist for more details on the other videos. So let's go on here. Let's start looking at what exactly is part of today's tutorial. So yeah, so these are the four things we'll be covering in today's tutorial. Basically, we'll start with Anaconda, then basics of Jupyter Notebook, then print statement in Python, and then we'll cover data types in Python. So I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you already know how to install Python and how to install Anaconda in your systems. So if you're not aware of that, go back to my previous videos in the same playlist, or you can refer to the links in the description. Okay. So having said that, I'll probably start with Anaconda. I'm assuming you're already installed Anaconda in your systems. If not, again, as I said, go back to my tutorial. Okay. So how do we start with Anaconda? So go to Start menu and then start typing Anaconda Navigator. So the navigator opens here. As we know, the Anaconda basically has different tools within itself, the Jupyter Notebook and Spider and other things. So you can refer to my previous video if you need some details about that. And here comes the Anaconda Navigator, wherein we have different other tools. So the very famous tools, if you're probably following R, you can definitely go back to the R Studio here. But then since we are preferring to go with Python, we have two very famous tools that we can follow. One is Jupyter Notebook and the other one is Spider. So you can follow any of them, but as a beginner, I suggest you, if you're a beginner, I suggest you to start with Jupyter. But Spider has its own capabilities as well. You can even follow that. So in this tutorial, I'll probably start with Jupyter Notebook. Just click on Launch. So the moment you click on Launch, the notebook opens in a browser. So that's loading here. So meanwhile, I'll come back and see what is the first point here, which is Anaconda. So we're kind of starting the Anaconda here. Okay, so it has started here. Yeah. So this is the browser, guys. So here is the Anaconda notebook. Sorry, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so you can create the different folders and files here. Okay, so there I'll probably show you how it looks like. Let's click on New Python 3. So this is the shell basically. Okay. So a few things very important here. Okay, we have the top menu. I'll quickly go over. So from the file menu, you can create new notebook or make a copy, save as. These are all self-explanatory. You can even put checkpoints, guys. This is to to debug the things as well. Okay, and edit, again, merging of cells and cut, copy, paste sort of thing. Okay, and view is again having toggle header. Insert is in case if you were kind of working on some code and you want to insert a couple of points above, a couple of set of code above, you can insert the cell above. Okay, so basically this is a cell. Okay, so this particular place where it looks like a text box is a cell basically. Okay, so click on insert and insert cell above or insert cell below as per the requirement, as per the need. Okay, so you can run the cells from here as well. Okay, and these are all actions concerned with respect to the cell. Okay, and kernel is something which is actually like a compiler. Okay, so you can call it as a compiler. So we have interrupt, restart and clear output. So while debugging, in case if you come across any issues and all, you can restart the kernel here to just avoid any issues that can be fixed. Okay, kind of a troubleshoot, one way of troubleshooting. Okay, and Widgets, again, we'll come back to this in the later point of stage, and the help is something which you, if you need some